Hey guys, it's like 10 o'clock in the morning and yeah, Wendy Williams time, but that's besides the point. I look very naked. I look like I have no lashes at all. Today's video is going to be about how to apply false lashes. Now, I just got into lashes and my first time was extremely difficult. It took me like 45 minutes to get one lash down. So I want to, teach you guys how to apply your false lashes, especially if you're a beginner. The things you're going to need are, lashes. And actually, I tried that. Like, these are Ardell or Arnell lashes. You can get them at the beauty supply store. These are the demi kind, and I tried that new technique where they wisp it and stuff. I guess it made a difference. I don't know.
Third day out here, I don't know.
So yeah, it came with two. It was like, how much? Probably $6, but it came with a lot of stuff that's really good for beginners. So like I said, you're gonna need the lashes. You could use any kind of tweezers, but these tweezers are great for beginners because they grip the lash well. Or you could use like another set of tweezers. My nails are busted. Don't come for me. But you need some lash glue, obviously, if you want them to stick. Unless you got the magnetic kind, then that's a different ball game. Some eyeliner, so you could outline, and a mascara of your choice. So I'm choosing Maybelline the Falsies Push-Up Drama. Lastly, you're gonna need a mirror. It doesn't have to be the fancy beauty mirror. It's just a mirror that you could go all up in your skin like a dermatologist, and then you could see well. Okay, let's get started with the tutorial. So what you're gonna want to do is, let me stop being annoying. Alright, so what you're gonna want to do is not tear. You gotta be gentle with this because you could just mess up the whole shape of your lash, and then it's done for. And then you're gonna be sad because you're like, man, I wasted $250 on this, and who has money to waste? So yeah, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna grab your mirror and see how your lash fits. You want to adjust them to your eye shape. I have almond shaped eyes, so I feel like these could work for me, but you guys see how crazy I look. I feel like these could work for me because they go in my eye shape pretty well because I have small eyes. So you're not going to want to glue it automatically, but you just want to see how it looks, and I think this could work. You just want to make sure they don't look too big for your eyes. Ladies, we cannot be clocking other females when we look crazy ourselves. I don't need to cut any excess off because this is pretty good for my eye shape. And you're gonna grab your glue. Either like put the glue straight on, but then it's gonna have like a lot of glue on it. Ew. Oh yay, glue is coming out though. Get a Q-tip. My personal favorite is a Q-tip. Spread it on the lash. I wonder how surgeons are surgeons, because this right here is too much for me. And this has nothing to do with anything. Off track. So yeah, we need some more for the outer part of the lash, because you don't want your lash being like flying off, bro. Like, we have all seen that. There we go. Ew, 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 ew. So then you're just gonna want it to get tacky, and don't blow on it. That's dirty. I don't know how else to put it. That's just disgusting. And wave it around town. So then you're gonna get your tweezers. This is why I told you this is easier, because boom, look. And then you're gonna want to look down because it makes it an easier process, instead of just, because if you're over here like Liz trying to, that's 45 minutes you don't have to waste, sweetie. Sorry, the hair is in the way. I should probably put it in a ponytail, but I can't find a scrunchie. We're gonna apply more glue. This is why I don't like this glue like that, because I feel like you need to apply a lot of it. You could grab your eyeliner while that dries. And this one has a really fine tip, so it'll make it easier for me. Yeah, you just wave it to the side. Make sure you have a grip on your lash. Get up all in your grill with the mirror. Move the hair out your face and stop trying to be cute. Yes, I just clocked myself. Ooh, things I did just now. That's. Make sure your natural eyelash and this eyelash, the falsie, come together so it looks like. Because people are gonna know it's not yours, but you don't want it to look like it's not yours. We all love possibilities, sweetie. We all love possibilities. So, yeah, I'm gonna just do the other eye while this one just dries off. I have to admit, when this side is always a little bit harder. Eyelash, don't be like that. You're disappointed. Just like every boy I've dated. You're gonna grab your mascara. Like I said, mascara of your choice. Some people like to apply the mascara before and after. I just feel like that's redundant. Yeah. Even though with these lashes, I don't feel like you really need mascara. That's pretty much all you need to do. Practice makes perfect. So the more you do it, the more light work it's gonna be. You're just gonna be like, sooner or later you're gonna be able to do it with your fingers. I am not at that level yet. I'm still like working on it. This is how you apply fake lashes. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.